they told me to show minimum version. Today we will be making a project. I'll remove this. We'll be using loop. We'll be opening a browser and typing some words into the browser. There will be a loop. We'll start with a counter. We'll make a condition how much time our loop wants to iterate. In the loop, we will open a browser and we will type into the browser. This is our project. Am I audible?
Yeah, Dhruv, you're audible.
Yeah. Yes, Dhruv.
Screen is clear.
Yeah, it is seen.
So we'll first at first we'll have to make a main sequence. We'll open a while loop. In the while loop, in the sequence, I'll make a variable. I'll create one variable. This is my counter variable I. And I'm assigning it integer 32. Its default value is 0. Now what will be our condition? We want to run our loop for 2 times. So till I is less than 2. Till now it is clear, right?
Yes.
Only Subhash is answering.
Yes. Dhruv, one
Yeah,
thing,
bro,
like we have to,
understand.
how do you go to that while thing? Like after we open the main tab, how should you search for the while tab? Can you please repeat, Dhruv?
Oh, okay, just a second. You will see some plus signs here.
Yeah, so
This
drop
plus,
activity here I'm seeing.
yeah, it will open the tab. You can search for the activity, or there is another way. In the left corner, there is one tab, activity tab. You
Okay, so
can
while
just
I'm getting.
what?
Okay, so the while option I got, I entered it now.
Yeah. While option you will got while and do while loop. 2 loops will get. We have to select that while activity.
Yes.
You have initiated a variable also.
Okay. So we have to initiate a variable I, is it?
Yeah, initiate a variable I integer 32 and its default value should be 0. What does scope mean?
Like max iteration should be I, is it, Dhruv?
What?
I clicked the option while, and after that I clicked while, and there I'm getting a screen like condition select a value and max iterations, and that one I'm getting like that.
First, go to this variable.
So I have to drop that activity inside the drop activity box after opening while, is it?
Yeah. Drop that activity.
Okay, which one I should
You
drop?
should
What
get
I should drop inside that?
Bro, Subhash, don't get confused just here. I have removed everything. I'll click in the left. You have clicked. Hello, Subhash.
Dhruv, sorry to disturb. I'm getting stuck in one stuff.
Yeah, just see
So
here.
after opening the while, when I'm trying to drop activity, so which scenario I'm supposed to drop inside that scenario or activity?
Just see my screen, Subhash one. This is sequence. We have a sequence here.
Yeah.
You visible.
Yeah.
I'll open this activity tab. I'll type while. There will be 2 loops, do while and while. I have to select while, click on while. I'll hold it and drag and drop it here.
Okay.
You got it?
Okay. In activities, I'm supposed to go and search while.
Yeah.
Okay. Got it. So in
Then
case if there's no result found, what do I do?
What?
It's like no results found when I'm searching for a while there.
You have no result.
No, it's like no results found.
You are clicking on while activities. You sure you are not clicking on snippets of project.
Yeah, I'm clicking on that only. We are supposed to install any package for that group for that?
See my packages. These are all installed. You don't need a Word, not Excel for automation activities. You need this. Mail activities you don't need, and Excel activities you don't need. You have all the packages.
No, I
Anybody
don't
else?
have the while package, Dhruv. That's the problem, I think.
There is no while package. It comes in the system. There is no while package. Do others are getting the same problem, or no one is working on the PC?
It's fine, bro. We are finding the while loop.
Yeah, you have missed some part in the installation, I think, or there is some bug. While should come, it's a system activity.
Or I'm able to see drop activity here option, Dhruv. If I click on that, will it come the while condition?
There, plus the plus sign.
Okay, yeah, 1 minute. Now I think I get it, I guess. So now let me see while.
Subhash, I'll go further. There
Okay,
are
you go
20.
further. Yeah, I'll ask you later.
We have initiated a variable I with the integer 32, and its scope should be sequence. What does scope means? Where where this variable is accessible. If you declare a variable in a function, it won't be accessible to the main program. You know that. It works as the same as programming. So we have to declare always, we have to declare a sequence or main, whatever your main name is. You can change the name. And its default value 0. In the while condition, I'll give a condition while I is less than 2. So my loop will run 2 times. I'll drop one more activity. That activity is use application and browser. You got this activity?
Bro, under variable sections, what is the variable type for I?
What?
Yeah, under that variables, we declared I, right? What is the variable type?
Type is integer 32.
In 32. Yeah, okay, fine.
In the body tab, drop use application browser activity. Manush.
Yeah,
Only
bro, I
Manush
got
and
it. I
Subhash
got it.
are- Okay. So for others, just now we just have to click on this indicate application to automate. It has select. I'll select my Chrome browser. I'll click on the window, and it has selected my browser automatically. You can see Chrome, new tab.
Okay.
Excuse me, can you just rewind once again? I just missed that part.
Yeah, I'll remove this activity. So first, what we'll do, we'll drop an activity use application and browser. This activity is there. Now we'll click this indicate application to automate. So whatever tab is, whatever the last tab is, it will indicate on that. My last tab, you should ensure that your last tab is Chrome, new tab. So as soon as I click indicate application on the screen, it will close UiPath Studio and it will go on that on the last tab. Guys, Meenakshi,
Yeah, then.
I got a notification. My meeting will be ended in 10 minutes.
Yeah, I just saw. Actually, we don't have the premium version. Then. Okay, I will
Okay,
do
okay,
one
okay.
thing.
So,
If it ends, so guys, if the meeting ends, can you please, guys, please cooperate? I will make one more meeting and send you guys the link, and then you guys can join once again. Will that be okay for you guys?
Okay, Meenakshi.
Yeah, that's fine. We'll
Yeah,
just
yeah, fine. It's
recap
fine.
what we learned that time.
yeah. So we'll continue with the
Thank you so
project.
much.
I'm just clicking on, I'm just clicking on this tab. It will directly select the browser. Can you select the browser?
Yeah, bro, it's
I
selected.
will open my Chrome first in the background.
Yeah, what?
Means it's showing my home screen. I think I did that
Yeah,
wrong. I open my Chrome
no, no.
first.
First open your Chrome, then open UiPath Studio, then click on indicate element. It will take the last tab you have opened.
How to remove that part? Can you show me if I want to remove and once again put Chrome?
Yeah, I will take this activity. Use application in browser. I'll just indicate application to automate. It has closed UiPath and the Chrome has opened. It was already open. So I'll just click on the Chrome anywhere on the book. You got it?
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I got it.
We have initiated a while loop. We have set the condition. Our counter is ready. We have opened the browser. Now what we want to do is we have to type into the browser. There's one activity, type into. You just have to type into. Install UiPath automation application. Got this?
Yeah, bro, you got it.
So how does a web page work? A web page has multiple elements on it. There are multiple elements. There is a title tag. There is a body tag. In body tag, there are many LI, and we have there are many labels. So we have to select. I'll show you for typing, and I want to type into this search box. You can see this search box. So how will UiPath get to know that he has to type in this search box? This search box has particular label. How does this search? I'll show you once. It's not showing now. Ah, I'll just do this. You got this type into activity? Everybody just
Yes,
Manu.
yes, we got.
Yeah,
So
bro. Yeah,
you
we got it.
click on indicate in Chrome. When you go in, you have to now indicate that search box. You have to tell UiPath that you have to type into this particular search box. You can see my search box is already highlighted. yours will also get highlighted. Now, this particular element, this particular label we have to select. I'll just click on this search box. Ensure that you don't click anywhere else, this Google or this bookmark or this new tab. You should click on the search tab only. It will automatically collect all the information it needs. You will go further into the course which is provided to you, you would find this. There are many applications built on this web scraping. We'll currently just select this input box. We will click on confirm. It will validate and it will confirm itself. Everybody got the input box validated?
Yeah, bro, you got it.
Okay. So
I didn't
we'll type this. What?
means I think I misclicked somewhere and full my Chrome went down. And now it's telling to do it again.
So try it
I'll
again.
do. I understood how to do. Can you wait for at least one? I'll continue where I left. One second.
Dhruv, for me, the while loop itself was not coming for me when I was trying to
don't
execute the
know.
project.
Uh, I, I don't know why while loop is not coming. It's actually installed in everyone's UiPath system. It's a basic activity. Our team or in the next session, we'll get back to you. We'll solve your query.
Okay.
Or Subhash, just put the
How
screenshot
did this line
of
came?
what
I
you
don't know.
had in the group so that I can just see like why it's not coming
Should we
and get
continue?
back.
Yeah.
So whatever the text you want to type, whatever the link you want to type here. Like currently I want to type UiPath. I don't go ahead.
Meenakshi, your voice is breaking.
Okay.
Okay. See in this typing to activity, click on this small button. It will open the editor. To simulate an entity, we use a particular snippet of code in the string. So when it has typed UiPath, I want it to enter. To simulate the enter key, we use a particular snippet that is k enter. We will start a square brackets. We'll type k circle brackets and are you able to follow?
Yes.
You just have to type this particular code and click on save. In the properties, do we have something? Delay after 5 seconds. I'll put. We don't need this. Okay, you have typed into the browser. You have clicked enter. Now we have the program. What are we left with? Anybody can tell me. We have started a while loop. We have put the condition, but there is one thing missing in this loop. Can you tell me?
See output.
Anybody? Output will get, but the thing we are missing is we have to increment the counter because I is currently 0. We have to increment it one by one. How will we do that?
I plus plus.
Yeah, I plus plus, but where should I type it? Yeah, so for that, there is one more activity, assign, ASSIGN. Use this assign activity to increment your, you can use this to declare variables also. But currently, we'll use it to increment our variable counter. That is I equals to I plus 1. Do you understand this activities? Type into assign the significance.
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
Yeah, this program is complete. We'll recap it once. Those guys who are not seeing it, just see it once. We have initiated a while loop. We have created a variable I from here. I variable with integer variable type integer. Its scope is main and default value is 0. We have started a while loop. We have given the variable while I is less than 2. In the body of the while loop, that is this. You can't click on the word. We are opening a browser. We have used a activity use application browser. We open the browser in a new tab. In the browser, we use a type into activity. We typed UiPath and we typed enter after that. It will close the browser. After that, it will increment the counter. That is I equals to I plus 1. Now I'll run this program. You can see for yourself. I'm not typing, guys. When you will do it, it will be very fast because it is typing UiPath, it is clicking enter, and it is closing the browser. Why it is waiting for me? Because I've added a delayed. Where I've added the delay? This delay after the properties of type into activity, I've added 5 seconds delay after. So when it types the UiPath, it clicks enter, and then after that, it delays for 5 seconds. It waits for 5 seconds. If I remove this 5 seconds, it will be 0 seconds. How will it look? Just see for yourself. Were you able to see this second time?
Yeah, bro.
Only Manush is replying. So, Vash, do you got this program? You understood this program, Arman? You can speak.
Yes, Dhruv, I understood the program, but I'm unable to do it in laptop. Maybe I'll take my laptop to Meenakshi tomorrow and get the issue sorted.
Yeah, sort it out fast. It's a easy activity. If you want, I'll do it once again for you later on.
Okay.
Other than you, Arman, you got it. So, Manush,
I
you
got
got it.
runtime error,
Runtime error.
runtime execution error. Multiple similar messages matches found. Showing this.
In this type into activity, actually the problem, we have to select this URL box correctly. When we were using this type into activity, we have to properly click on the input box. If we click anywhere else, it will take many examples. We have to click on this unit box.
I think I clicked somewhere else in that type
Yeah,
into.
just delete it once and do it once again. You will get it. If you don't share me the screenshot, I'll help you later.
Okay.
Other than that, I don't think anybody else is trying.
Guys, to respond, anybody else who have any doubt or issue? Generally, your mic is on.
Bro, I do have a doubt.
Yeah.
I have assigned that Chrome and it's still open and it's running in background. I think that I have closed that Chrome. Will this process automatically open the Chrome or it must be open itself?
No. Okay. If you have indicated the Chrome correctly, it will open it for you. Let me give you an example. I'll close my browser. You can see I don't have any browser open. I just UiPath Studio and Zoom meeting. Now I will run this. It will open the browser directly, automatically. You can see UiPath browser automation 23.10 started debugging this browser.
Yeah, bro, I got it. I got it. Thank you.
And this type into activity, ensure that you type 5 delay after 5 seconds. So when it clicks enter, I'll show you. Now it waits for 5 seconds here. After that, it will again start then. Okay, that's it for me. Arman, you have any doubt or you were just answering?
Yeah, I have doubt. Means you have taken the top one search bar, na?
Yeah,
Yeah, I got. See, I've taken the bottom one, means the downside search bar I've taken, then also it's happening. I thought that's why it's not
yeah,
happening. It's happening. Yeah, okay, I
it will
got.
work. Actually, when you use in the this when you use this, it can happen in glitches. It can break also because we have to select an anchor also. Anchor you will study in your course which was given by Meenakshi. You'll find we have to select the label and we have to select the anchor. It's a little complicated. That's why I told all you guys to click there. Yeah, okay, no worries. Good. Meenakshi,
Bro, show me that
on.
delay after once more.
Okay. I have clicked in this type into activity and on the right there is the properties tab. I'll click on properties for type into activity. It's delay after 5 seconds.
We have to type just five. That's it, right?
What?
I mean, any five space seconds or only five. That's it. Number. Only five number.
No, you can type any number. Number denotes the second. 5 means 5 seconds. If you put 10, if you put 30, it will wait for 30 seconds.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Uh-huh.
Hello. Yeah, so
Yes,
in that case, we have that offline session. There we use log message. So can I use log message here also, like successfully done?
yeah, you can use it. Use it here. Uh, when while loop completes it working, use it here somewhere. You can try. You can experiment, guys. You should experiment.
Yeah, that's what I was trying experiment. But then I thought if my laptop crashes, then that would be the greatest experiment. So I left that.
Nothing will happen.
Laptop won't crash
Meenakshi,
so
what
early, bro.
next?
Yeah, it's done. So guys, anybody else who have any doubt? Like, if you have any doubt or anything you're unable to follow, just tell right now, because I will be telling you guys to send the video of all the execution done in your laptop, to send the video of that in the group. And I need it from all 25 people. So, do you guys have any issue, any doubt? Just tell right now.
Meenakshi, I told you what's my doubt. Tomorrow I'll meet you and get the thing sorted.
Yeah, yours is okay. I will look back to it tomorrow. Anybody else? The 24 people, are you guys clear?
I think elite members are also not paying attention.
Yeah. Okay. One answer came. Okay. Two. There are 25 people, guys.